Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn how to model a screwdriver in FreeCAD. It's pretty simple and great for beginners. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the handle. Open FreeCAD and start a new project. Switch to the Part Design workbench. Create a new body and select the XY plane to start a sketch. Use the circle tool to draw a circle at the center. Close the sketch. Pat the sketch to give it thickness. This forms the handle. Set the height according to your desired handle length. Click OK. Sparkle Step 2. Smooth the handle. Select the top and bottom edges of the handle. Use the Fillet tool to round them. Check the box to apply on both sides. Adjust the radius as needed. Click OK. Step 3. Extend for rod base. Select the bottom face of the handle. Use the pad tool again to extend slightly. This acts as the rod support. Add another fillet to the edge for a smoother transition. Step 4. Create the screwdriver rod. Select the bottom face of the rod support. Use the pad tool once more to extrude the metal rod. Adjust the length to your liking. Click OK. Step 5. Cut the minus head. Switch to the Part workbench. Use the box tool to create two thin rectangles, planes, for the flat head cut. Adjust length and width accordingly. Position them at the tip of the rod on both sides. Select the rod and the two rectangles, then go to Part Boolean Slice Apart. This will create the flathead screwdriver tip. Step 6. Add grip cuts to handle. Create a new body and sketch on the XZ plane. Use the rectangle tool to draw a long rectangle for the grip. Pad the rectangle and adjust thickness. Use the transform tool to place it on the handle side. Switch to the draft workbench, then select the grip pad, choose polar array. Set number of elements to 6, and reset the center point. Click OK. Go to the part workbench, select the handle and all 6 grip rectangles, then use part Boolean cut. White heavy checkmark. Now your screwdriver is complete. With a grip and a flat tip, you've now created a realistic screwdriver model in FreeCAD. Great work! Feel free to leave a comment or ask any questions. Thank you for watching. Backhand index pointing right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more FreeCAD tutorials.